Guys, welcome to another video, and I am in Ashwem right now, and you can see Ashwem is so peaceful. Ashwem is also famous for its white sands, peaceful beaches. This is Colesso. It's a very famous restaurant, guys. It's 24/7. So if you want to come in the middle of the night, morning, anytime, it's always on. It's a very happening place. And as you can see, it's just so peaceful. That again is a rumble, that stretch. So I'll take you walking around this side. If you can see, the dog is also looking so dangerous. Huh. But it's so nice. Ashwem is a very small strip, guys. Again, if you like peace, this is the best place to come, either in the mornings or in the evenings, and you'll have a great time. Look at the beautiful sunset, guys. Isn't that amazing? And I feel the party's already started here. So everyone's having just a good time. I'm going to head that side towards the beach, guys. So I'm going all around. I don't want to cross this. That's one nice cozy shack in the corner. That's another one. Again, if you walk down from here, from that area, you can always reach Morjim. It's definitely a nice stretch to walk, but it's pretty cool. These are resorts that you can even stay. There's a very peaceful shack. Okay, so that is where I was. I came all around this because I had to just bypass this. And I'm just going to show you all what's happening at the beach. Guys, everyone is having their piece of time, which is good. So I want you guys to come down to Goa soon, in these 2 weeks, and have your moment, guys. that is where the party is happening. I'm gonna put that place in the description because that's the most happening place, and Colesso, of course. And this is Ashwem, guys. Again, if you like Ashwem, do like and subscribe. If you like Goa beaches, do like and subscribe, and like my video. Do like and subscribe, guys. Thank you for your support. And Colesso is actually promoting their stuff here. I think it's a more private dine out at the beach. Anything for the customers, guys. Amazing. And this is pretty much Ashwem, guys. Again, beautiful strip, beautiful day, beautiful beach. The water is nice and calm. People are having a good time and a peaceful time, guys. Again, signing off. This is your walking traveler. Do like and subscribe and wait for more videos, guys. See ya. Take care.